Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, let's find it, and then we have to switch to the video mode, so let's tap on the video. Now we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap. And here on the second position in this first row, we've got the video quality, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Unfortunately, I really cannot see properly, so let me just change the position of the photo of the phone a little bit so I can read it out loud. So currently we've got the 720p option applied. We can choose 1080p, 480p also, yes, and CIF format. So of course, it's up to you. Just tap on the option and it will be highlighted, which means that it is also immediately applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording any video. So of course, as I said, it's up to you. Just tap on the option you'd like to set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.